Welcome to Daily Psalms, a space to reflect, rejoice, and draw near to our Father. As we journey through, may you be reminded that our help comes from the Lord. Our worship is a gift to Him, and His steadfast love endures forever. Let these final Psalms set your eyes on things above, surrendering your heart to God's divine plans and fortifying your faith in His unwavering faithfulness. Psalm 126. Restore our fortunes, O Lord. A song of ascents. When the Lord restored the fortunes of Zion, we were like those who dream. Then our mouth was filled with laughter and our tongue with shouts of joy. Then they said among the nations, "The Lord has done great things for them." The Lord has done great things for us. We are glad. Restore our fortunes, O Lord, like the streams in the Negeb. Those who sow in tears shall reap with shouts of joy. He who goes out weeping, bearing the seed for sowing, shall come home with shouts of joy, bringing his sheaves with him.